Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 9, JavaScript comments, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn the JavaScript comments and its types. So, comments in JavaScript. There are two types of comments in JavaScript. They are single line comment and multi-line comment. So, right now let's understand what is single line comment and multi-line comment. So to understand that very clearly, right now let me jump into Visual Studio Code. I'll click on the file menu and I'm going to open the folder where I'm going to create HTML file. When I do that, and this is the folder where I'm going to create a HTML file. When I do that, I'll get that folder here, and within that folder I need to add a HTML file. I'll name the HTML file as demo.html. And after that, here in this demo.html file, I'm going to write a bit of HTML as well as the JavaScript. So let me add HTML tag and add, and let me add title. The title is demo of JavaScript. And after that, let me add a body element, and within this body element I'm going to take a script tag, and here I'm going to write 3 lines of JavaScript code. The first line, it's going to display a pop-up message, hello world, because we are using hello world alert function there. Job of alert function is to just alert a message called hello world in the pop-up window. And after that, I'm going to create a variable, and I'm variable called str, and I'm assigning the value as welcome to Ankpro Technologies. Okay, and now I want to print this message with the help of alert function, so I'll pass that variable to alert. Now when I do Ctrl S, now I'll navigate to the folder where I've saved this HTML file. It's very simple. It's present in the D drive in my videos folder, and here is that file, and this is the demo.html. When I double click on this, okay, now what happens is we'll get two alert messages in the send pop-up messages. One brings like hello world, the other one tells you welcome to Ankpro Technologies. We are getting these alert messages because of this code present here, like alert hello world and alert str. Now if I wish to execute or display the pop-up message only welcome to Ankpro Technologies, so what I need to do is I need to comment this line. So commenting a single line is called single line comment. How do I comment? Okay, it's very simple. If you want to comment a single line, we should make use of the single line comment. How to write a single line comment? It's very easy. You can observe in the slide. If you want to make a single line comment, you have to add 2 forward slashes. Okay, it's very simple. So what I'll do here is I'll add 2 forward slashes in front of this alert. Now this piece of line, whatever the present here JavaScript code, it is commented. Keep in mind, JavaScript engine ignores the commented lines. In the sense, JavaScript engine is not going to execute this line. So how do I check that? It's very simple. Now when I go back and when I refresh, you can observe we're getting only welcome to Ankpro Technologies, but not the hello world, because JavaScript engine is ignoring this line when we comment out. Okay, and keep in mind, coming back to presentation, how to do a multi-line comment. In the sense, for example, if you want to comment out the entire thing present here, okay, how to do it? In the sense, if you want to comment more than one line, then we have to make use of the multi-line comment. How the multi-line comment looks? It looks like this. It has to start with the forward slash and the asterisk key, and end with the asterisk key with the forward slash. So now if I want to comment out this entire thing present here, what I need to do is I need to take a forward slash with the asterisk key, and also I have to end with asterisk key with the forward slash. When I do Ctrl S, when I go back and when I refresh, currently you can observe we are not getting any alert messages. Why? Because we have commented out the entire code with the help of multi-line comment. Okay, this is what we learned in this session, like what is single line comment and what is multi-line comment. We also learned like how to use this comment. If you want to make use of single line comment, then we have to use forward slash, 2 forward slashes, and if you want to make use of multi-line comment, then you have to call this forward slash with the asterisk key and end with asterisk key with the forward slash. And finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting these URLs. You You can also follow us on Twitter. For further references, refer our websites. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.